Another day, another great find on Marketplace. Welcome back, guys. Let's save this iPhone 11 Pro. Let's begin by removing the two pentalobe screws at the bottom. Next, carefully insert a razor blade between the screen and the frame to create a small gap. Now use a guitar pick to carefully cut through the adhesive and loosen the screen. With the adhesive removed, gently open the phone from the left side, as if opening a book. Now use a tri-wing screwdriver to remove the 8 screws securing the flex cable shields. After disconnecting the battery, you can detach the 2 display flex cables and the earpiece speaker flex cable. You can now completely remove the screen and set it aside. Oh wow, this thing is more broken than my budget during holiday sales. Now we'll install the new screen to test its functionality. Simply connect the 2 display flex cables, followed by the battery. Plug in the power cord and check if the Apple logo appears on the screen. And there it is. Everything looks good so far. Now let's install the earpiece speaker onto the new screen. First, remove the 3 tri-wing screws. Then heat the top portion of the display to soften the adhesive. Once hot, you can start removing the speaker. Carefully remove the speaker and reattach it to the new screen in the same order. Be very careful because if you damage it, well, you can say goodbye to Face ID. Right after that, we'll replace the battery since there's a service warning on it. In my experience, that this is one of the rare iPhone models with 2 flex cables for the battery, so we'll need to remove a few more shields to access them. There are 6 tri-wing screws to remove. I also applied isopropyl alcohol to soften the pull tabs under the battery. Now I'll gently pry it up, and it should lift out easily. And here's the last flex cable. After disconnecting it, I'll use tweezers to clean off any residue left from the pull tabs. I'll speed up the video here since this part can get a bit repetitive. Also, if you've made it this far, thank you. I'm still new to YouTube, so if you have any feedback to share, please leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and it'll also help my video reach more people. Now I'm installing the new battery and connecting the first flex cable, followed by reinstalling the shields. Now I'll secure the 6 tri-wing screws back into place. Okay, now let's put it all back together and test the battery. First, connect the display, then plug in the power cord. But before that, Let's reinstall the 2 shields and secure them with the 8 screws. Pop the display back into place, starting from the top. You should hear a popping sound when you reach the bottom. Now let's secure the screen with the 2 pentalobe screws. The software on this iPhone is a bit outdated. I'm going to plug it into my computer and install the latest iOS. This might take about 20 minutes. And there it is, almost good as new again. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's not the greatest video you'll see today, but I'll be getting better with each new upload. So consider subscribing if you want to see what I'll do next. Cheers!